Hai perlong, ko blei si boni phi ki ba kershani nga na kapor she kapor. Ada phi long ki ba thamai ka na channel. Siang ba subscribe but press the notification bell khanang ma pin yo ki update video. Ha kapor ba nga.
We will not forget our country.
Video thamai.
We will not forget our constitution, and we will not forget our God.
Kumba ka perthe menta ladap tang ka jing sniu pat ka jing auria. Ka jing jia bat ka jing tenju day namar ka jing le bakala Jong U Blei. Ha ka jutang barim U Blei ulama ham ya ka Israel lada ki pengkin ya ka hukum U Blei. Kan don ka jing jia kombang yo I ka jia hakari Amerika. Ki jing tre bom sa khawe un sayo ban ai keliang ya pipat pin omdon ban ai keliang ya o. Mau un salong ukli pipat pin salong hatdong. Kapoin ba ar ko ongkom ne. Umender ubasyong ubasa bat pi un sanang kiu pipat pin sanang kiu
not live by the law shall die by the law.
Ladangi pai syakat ka Bible na ngi puleh ka Bible ladangi ni mane ki Blei thau ro ko long ko wei ka ta ka ba pensiu si O Blei na kata ka daw ngimde ban mane ki Blei thau.
You're gonna love this. You will be popular. You're gonna be popular on TV.
Ka jingle jong ka ne ka celebrity ka long ko wei ka ba pensiu si bat thang ya O Blei bat hado mentaro kamsyam la phai sho Blei bat pan map no Blei ka long ka ba ba ya ka ban phai no sho Blei ka wei nga kwa ban ong i piperlok ni de ban phai no sho Blei ladangi don shejngai no Blei ni de ban wan phai no sho Blei.
And by reading with the Old Testament, he read out of Deuteronomy 10, and then I was asked to provide a prayer for the nation.
Just a few months ago in a beautiful Pennsylvania field, an assassin's bullet ripped through my ear. But I felt then, and believe even more so now, that my life was saved for a reason. I was saved by God to make America great again. We will not forget our country. We will not forget our Constitution.